Hi everyone! Today, I will show you how to fix checkout errors on Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. You can grab the link to this tool in the description below if you want to follow along. So with that, let's get started. On your dashboard, click on Settings at the very bottom left. In the Settings menu, click on Payments. First, make sure your payment methods are fully set up. Look through your active providers. Check for any status messages that say, Setup incomplete or action required. If you see an alert, click on it to complete your account registration. This will fix any banking details so your customers do not hit an error when trying to pay. Next, look back at your settings menu and click on Shipping and Delivery. Under the shipping section, click on your general profile. Scroll down to your shipping zones. Make sure you have active rates set up for the countries you sell to. If a zone is missing a rate, customers from that country will see a checkout error. Finally, if the error is a visual glitch, click on Checkout in the Settings menu. Right at the top, look at the Configuration section and click the Edit button. This will open your checkout editor. Look at the left sidebar for any alert icons or broken blocks from apps you recently uninstalled. If you see one, simply click it, select Remove, and click Save in the top right corner. And that is it. You have successfully learned how to fix checkout errors on Shopify. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides. Don't forget to add to cart your next big idea. Until next time.